You win a large commercial contract, and the celebration lasts right up until the material invoices start crashing down on your desk. Welcome to day 22 of the Profit and Progress Blueprint. Today, we look at the exact mechanism that keeps those material costs from draining your bank account: stage payments, their infrastructure. To implement this system today, you need your standard quoting software and an upcoming mid to large-scale project proposal to edit. Mastering stage payments takes you out of the role of an unpaid bank for your clients and positions you as a cash-positive business owner. Small, reactive jobs and quick fault-finding callouts can be billed safely at the very end, but that logic fails on large domestic rewires or commercial contracts where the overhead is too high to carry. In standard end billing, you pay out of pocket. Your cash flow dives into the red, holding financial risk until final payment. With the milestone way, collecting revenue at the start, middle, and end keeps cash flow stable and neutral. The job pays for its progress. Financing commercial jobs yourself drains your emergency reserves. When your capital is tied up in a client's building, you lose the ability to buy materials for new jobs or cover unexpected overhead. Taking on larger jobs without changing your billing structure actually increases the risk of financial strain. Milestone billing provides the mandatory safety net that makes scaling possible. To build that safety net, break your project quote into 3 mandatory, non-negotiable payment stages. Stage 1 is the initial deposit. Collected before stepping on site, it covers upfront materials and equipment rentals, locking the client into your schedule. Stage 2 is the midway payment. Tie this to a highly visible, logical project milestone, like the completion of the first fix. Stage 3 is the final installment. You collect the remaining balance only upon final testing, certification, and client handover. Avoid leaving milestones vague. Tie your payment schedules to physical site progress to provide objective proof of completion and reduce the likelihood of client disputes. Implementing this structure turns asking for money into a scheduled project phase, removing the emotional friction from the process. Reaching a physical milestone is only the first step. Operationally, a project phase is only complete once the invoice is generated and sent to the client. Do not wait until the weekend to catch up on admin. Generate your invoices on a mobile device while you are still physically standing on the job site. Offer frictionless payment solutions like Stripe or Revolut Pro. By removing the barrier of manual bank transfers, clients can pay you instantly. Your dashboard should track labor hours, collected revenue, and material costs on a weekly basis, rather than waiting for the final tally. Monitoring these specific operational numbers gives you the visibility to ensure the project remains profitable at every milestone phase. Combining on-site invoicing with frictionless payment methods eliminates the delay between doing the work and accessing the cash. You now have a structured, 3-stage framework for securing milestone KMILs on any major electrical project. This is exactly how you successfully fund and complete large commercial projects without putting your own personal livelihood at risk. Open your quoting software immediately. Edit your next big proposal to include this 3-stage structure before you send it out. Protecting your cash flow today is the only way to safely scale your business tomorrow. We will see you on day 23.